I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a personal finance book written by Ramit Sethi. It is focused mainly on the points of investing, budgeting, and living large within one's means. Sethi's lessons in the book are based on his own experiences and his research into the psychology of money. Sethi believes that personal finance is not about becoming a wealthy investor but about controlling your money, making sure it reflects your values and growing it slowly over time. He incorporates multiple strategies such as finding the courage to start investing, learning how to automate your finances, and understanding where your money goes. Sethi argues that people possess the ability to be their own financial executives and achieve financial freedom. He encourages readers to make a plan, focus on their goals, and learn from their mistakes in order to become financially independent. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a detailed and practical guide for anyone who wishes to take control of their finances and become more financially secure.